Let's be real. Everyone talks about starting a business, but most people get stuck at one question. Where do I even begin? The truth is, you don't need a massive budget, fancy office, or investor funding to start something. You just need one idea and the courage to take action. So today, I'm breaking down 3 business ideas you can start this week. No fluff, no excuses, and no waiting for someday. Let's jump right in. Business idea number 1. Content-based personal brand. Yeah, you heard that right. You are the business. Whether it's TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, the power of attention has never been greater. Pick a niche: fitness, finance, motivation, tech, food, and start creating content that helps or entertains people. Here's the secret. You don't need millions of followers to make money. You just need a loyal few hundred who trust you. Monetize through affiliate links, brand deals, or your own digital products. Think about it. People like Alex Hormozi or Ali Abdaal started with nothing but a phone and an idea. Now, they've turned content into empires. Start this week by posting your first 3 videos. Don't overthink. Start messy. Improve later. Business idea number 2. Freelance or service-based business. If you've got a skill, design, writing, marketing, video editing, tutoring, congratulations, you already have a business. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork are full of people making full-time incomes from home. Start by offering one high-value service. Create a clean portfolio, even if it's just sample work, and start pitching clients. The U.S. freelance market is booming, and businesses are always searching for remote help. Your time is valuable, so instead of scrolling, use that same hour to make your first $50 online. Business idea number 3. Digital product store. This one's a game changer. You create once, and it sells forever. Ebooks, Notion templates, online courses, or even AI prompts, all digital, no inventory, no shipping headaches. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify make it simple to launch. And the best part? You can start this week. Record one short course, design a useful template, or write a short guide that solves a problem. Once it's live, it can keep earning while you sleep. Now here's the key. All 3 ideas share one thing. They reward consistency over perfection. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to start. So here's how you make it happen this week. Step 1. Pick one idea. Just one. Step 2. Dedicate 1 hour a day to building it. No distractions. Step 3. Launch by Sunday. Post your first video, publish your gig, or upload your digital product. That's it. You've officially started your business. Most people wait for the perfect time, but the truth is, the perfect time never comes. The best entrepreneurs aren't the smartest, they're the ones who start before they're ready. So if you're serious about financial freedom, this is your sign. Start this week, because a year from now, you'll wish you started today. If this video gave you that push, hit like, drop a comment with the business idea you're starting, and subscribe for more tips on motivation, money, and personal growth. Remember, success doesn't wait. You shouldn't either.